I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Andobil, for sending me over their 2021 version of phone car holder mount. It's on sale on Amazon. We're going to unbox it. We're going to review it. We're going to show you some test footage holding the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, the long one. You know what I'm talking about. On the edges. And that's happening right after this. Okay, here's the driving footage to show you how stable it is holding your phone. Keep in mind it's holding a 7-inch Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus on the edges. I wanted to show you how steady the footage is. Here it is on the freeway. Here's the unboxing. You can tell that they take a lot of time to send the very best products that they can. It's made of carbon fiber. This thing is very well made. It's their 5th generation that they've made of this. To make extremely harsh environments, it can handle extreme heat, extreme cold without breaking or falling apart. Here's the different usage tips if you want to mount it to your dash. Here's the welcome guide that helps guide you through how to install the different settings and stuff on it you can use to hold different sized phones. Here's the clip that you can use to mount it to your vents on your dash. I found it to be extremely helpful. There's the item itself. You can tell the carbon fiber is really nice. It's high quality. I really like the way they have the rubber tips on the inside to hold your phone so it doesn't get scratched or damaged. I had zero problem with my phone sliding around inside this thing. It held it nice and snug. There's the button on the back where you can put it in. Here it is mounted on the dash in a Toyota Prius. You can see it holds it just fine. This little part right here you can stretch out for this different size of your phones. The little buttons on the top and bottom you can press to release your phone, and then the pieces on the side you can squeeze to pinch it in to hold your phone. You can see I've got it mounted right into the vent. It holds it just fine. Nice and strong and sturdy. And it'll mount in just about any car. Like I said, it's so easy. And depending on where you want the phone mounted in your car, it does allow you a lot of options. Here it is on the windshield. That's my personal preference. And that's where I had my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, which is a 7-inch phone. 6.5, 7, pretty close. And it held it just fine, even on the edges. Yeah, I think it's a very high quality product, and for the price, $29.99, you can't beat it. I will make sure and leave all the information down in the video description below. Check it out. Andobil. This particular item was tested in 2 cars and an SUV before I even began to shoot a video. As a foster father, gamer, budget tacker trying to save some money, you know I'm going to test it hard before I even tell you about it. I will tell you if it's good or crap, guaranteed. I will leave all the information to the products I test in the video description below, and I try my hardest to get you guys promo codes or budget deals, you know, helping you save money. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hopefully I helped. Smash the subscribe button, I'd appreciate it. If this video saved you money or helped you in some way, drop a like on it and share with your friends, I'd appreciate that. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you in the next video.